Hi guys, this is Parag here. First of all, thank you very much for interesting reviews which I get on Monday motivational videos which I upload on every Monday and try to bring in the best content as much as I can. And my aim or my mission is to get you physically fit and have a better lifestyle. So this time one of my students have asked me that which is the best way to get out of the plateau. If they have hit the plateau and they are not able to progress, how they can get out of the plateau faster. And I have an answer, and I personally believe these are the three ways. Every coach will have a different way and different approach. Personally, I believe that if you try to stick to simple things, you should be able to see good results. The first is analyze your program done in past 2 weeks. You have to sit and see whether your program, whatever you are doing, whether it is lifting weights or running, whether that program is done correctly with the progression. And if there is no progression, there is no point going ahead. So if you are maintaining the workouts, maintaining the lifts, maintaining the repetitions, maintaining the running, then there is no progression. So at times we try to stretch ourselves and we are not mentally prepared at times. So there might be problem that you are just maintaining the workouts or maintaining the training, but 1 week is a little less, but I think 2 or maybe 3 weeks is a good time. If you are not able to see progress, then you have to actually not lift heavier, but try to ensure that you try to create a PR, that is a personal record on the given weights. That will basically boost your confidence and that will help you to go ahead. So this is the first way, that analyze the program done in past 2 weeks. Second is analyze the nutrition, that is understanding what do you eat. If you are a coach or if you are an athlete, I think most of the people are disciplined, but when it comes to member, I personally feel that members are disciplined, but it is also depending upon the coach how they really take this part of nutrition, how do they deal with them, whether they really write the nutrition or write the calorie content which they take all throughout the day. Analyzing the nutrition on the weighing scale is the best way done, but if you are not able to do that, still you need to understand that the kind of protein content and the kind of the fat content you intake. At times we are up to the mark on the protein because we know that we have if you are not able to get the full content of the protein from your nutrition, that is from your diet, that is from your food, we have a supplement. But the issue is sometimes with the fat, because being a dense fat, we are not able to understand how much percentage of the fat do we really consume. So for the recovery, fat is very important, and if you are not able to take the fat content correctly, then there might be problems. There might be the problems for the recovery. So please sit and analyze your nutrition. That is very important. That is the second part. Third part is, if you've been doing exercise, if you've been doing the training programs consistently for past 3 months, for past 4 months, for past 5 months, or past 6 months, every 3 times a week, and resting for other days, then I personally believe if you are not able to get good results, it is a time to take a week off. I personally believe that your body needs rest, and that rest can be a little bit more like a week rest. Week rest is good. You can definitely go for a small jog, a small run, which would really help you to recover faster, and you'll be able to understand whether whatever training programs you're doing, you're heading it correctly or not. Because if you're hitting plateau and if you're doing the training program consistently, then you might land up in the injury because your body is not rested very well. So the best thing would be to take the rest. Maybe you want to take a small vacation and just rest and relax with your family members. This will really help you to replenish and help you to recover faster, and once you come back, then definitely you will be with that vigor to work out much better. And my members have got good results in this, because every 6 months I suggest them, I can't force them, but I suggest them to take a week off completely without any workout. Your body get recovered very faster, because if you are able to take a massage, if you are able to take a regular relaxing workouts like doing yoga, then I think these 3 things can definitely help you to get out of the plateau very faster. And apart from this, if you really think that If your coach has given you some suggestions, I would be really glad if you put that into the comment box. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up. And if you want me to cover some other topic in such a small talk to give you the information, I would be glad to do that. Based on my experience, I'll be able to help you. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.